guys, so these are like the cauliflower pizza dough that we made together, remember? So now we're gonna make a pizza. That's pizza sauce. It's actually pizza sauce that I bought at the supermarket. It's organic. So what I did was I put one jar in here and I just put the sauce there, and now we're gonna put cheese on it, right Mike?
Oh yeah.
Some mozzarella cheese. We like mucho queso, Michael?
Oh yeah.
A lot of queso, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Wow, that looks nice like that, right Mike? Okay. I think I want to put a little bit of onion on one side. What do you think?
Yeah, if you want. I'm down with onions. I like onions.
Michael's like, oh, I'm down with onion, mama. All right. So just like that, a little bit like that.
Looks just like a pizza.
Exactly. Well, exactly. It's just like a pizza. The only thing that the dough is made out of cauliflower, you know? That's all, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And then I just wanted to put, I'm just going to put on a little side like that. I want to put some onion. I hope you don't mind, because I know the onion is going to give it a kick. You know, we don't have to do the whole pizza like that, but just half of it. You know, because I know I'm going to like it like that, and the other half, just queso. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Is that good?
Looks good to
and
me.
I'm going to throw it in the oven now.
I'll be eating
put
that.
Put it in there for 10 minutes, and when we come back, we'll have, I guess, a couple of slices of cauliflower pizza with cheese and onions. We'll be right back. All right. Second baby pizza going in. Look how pretty. I think the other one is almost done, so come here, Mike. Look at that.
Look at it.
Yay! We are geniuses. Love you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll be right back. Thanks for coming back. We're taking that one pizza out. Yeah, that one in the bottom. Look at that. Another one just started cooking because we just put it in there. And that's what it looks like, cauliflower pizza. And what do you do with cauliflower pizza, Mike?
Cut it up, cut it up.
That has to be like a little bit more thing. Okay, cut it like this, Mike.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, it's very thin, the dough. But it doesn't matter, does it?
I gotta take a picture. Hold on. Gotta take that thumbnail.
Go ahead.
Wait, hold on. Wow. Okay, I'm done.
I'm just making more slices, you know?
And this is gluten-free, everybody. So if you can't eat bread,
don't eat bread.
This is the pizza for you. Yep, none of us are going to be eating bread.
And this is very hot. Hold on.
Want to know how good it is? The dogs are here.
Okay, let me take one slice. I'll put it in here. Michael, you know those platos don't go there.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mama.
Michael put the wrong platos in the wrong place. I think I want to have little piece. It's very, very hot. Wow. Let me take a fork and taste, because I am Ginger. Ginger Michael's barking at you like you did something to her. See? Wow. It's very, very hot. But as you can see part of the bread in the bottom? You know what it tastes like? Just like pizza. Here, how about that here? Get you quiet. So we're tasting pizza here.
Oh, let me see. Let me show everybody. Look, she's giving it to me, guys.
All right. But Michael? So this is where our pizza...
Tastes like lasagna.
This is how our pizza, cauliflower pizza is going to look like.
It tastes like lasagna. Like a lasagna pizza.
I love it with the onion. It's so good. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to get really good making this. It kind of like gave me a little bit of a hard time, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Because
well, not really.
The water,
I think you did an excellent job. It's really good.
I'm going to try to do this like a little bit more thick. The slice it, but this is absolutely amazing.
Tastes like pizza.
Here. And this one is for Mama, because I made it. So with that, guys, there I go. Learn how to make your delicious pizza like I did just now, and then you can, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm separating even the slices. See, it's very hot. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to make your cauliflower pizza. And sometime next week, I want to make some cauliflower mashed potatoes. Yeah, we're going to make some cauliflower mashed potato, very good, with some fried chicken. But today we're going to be eating pizza all day long, guys. I got another cauliflower in the fridge. Maybe that one, Michael, will steam it later and make another one. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google+, on Pinterest, on everywhere that you find us, YouTube itself. Everywhere that you find us, you can watch us, you can like us, you can follow us.
That's right.
You can make a comment. Don't make a comment. If you want to donate $5, $10, $15, $20, just scroll down and just click on the link.
Link right there.
Patreon. And you can donate anything that you want for the channel. That will be great for us.
That's right.
And for you guys, God will bless you for that. So with that, I'm going to let everybody go. Don't forget to subscribe once again. And don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. And with that, I'm going to take another slice over here and put it in my plate and go on around there and eat it all. Thanks for watching.